The young lady driving this car had just been to pick up a takeaway for the family. One of the containers has slightly slipped, and her attention just for this little moment is with the takeaway.
Insufficient storage space for event recording. Insufficient storage space for event recording. Insufficient storage space for event recording.
This impact, as you can imagine, resulted in significant damage to the wheel, suspension and axle. And the footage has been sent in just to remind people actually how lucky this young lady was. It could have been an oncoming car, a pedestrian, a cyclist or any other road user. Someone could have easily died. Keep your concentration outside, not inside the car.